Hello guys and welcome back. In this video we will see how to create a Reddit community. Let's start this video. Open your Reddit application. Now you have to click on your profile on the top right corner. Now choose create a community option. Here you have to write down the community name and also the description. So after writing down the name and description, you have to click on next. Now here you have to style your community, such as you have to add the display banner and also the avatar. It's up to you whether you want to add it or not, so I will just skip this part. Now here you have to select at least 3 topics about your community. After selecting those community topics, you have to click on next on the top right corner. Now here you have to select the community type, which will be public, restricted or private. It's up to you which one you want to set. So in this case I want to select the community which will be public, so I will just click on this public option, and down there is an option of mature 18 plus. So if you want to check this box you can. After doing that you have to click on next and your community will be created. So as you can see, my community is created. I hope this video will help you. If so, please consider liking this video and subscribe this channel.